Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a logo in Canva. All I need to do is just go to Canva. Okay. And of course, log in or sign up if you don't have any account yet. And search for logo. You can create your own logo or you can just choose from these templates. For me, I'm just going to choose create. And then you can just start making your own template. I'll just choose circle. Not that one. Sorry, elements. I'll choose the circle one and this one. hmm Wait, I'm just gonna fix that one. Oopsie. Yeah, and I can choose what color I want. In this case, I'll choose that blue. Okay. And then I will upload a photo. Just give me one sec. Okay. That cute little dog. And then if it's uploaded, just click it. And then you can just edit the image and remove the background. Just wait a bit and apply. That's really cute. There you go. And the background, you can just choose whatever you want. This one, that one, whatever you think is really cute. I think I'll stay with that one. So after that, just put a text. You can choose this big or that small one. I'll choose this one for now. Okay, and choose name, which is I'll choose gentle dog. And just give me one sec. I'll fix that one later. Just hang on. I'll choose this one and grooming. Okay. With this one, I'll choose like a bit smaller. And you can choose whatever template you want, like this one. We'll check. Yeah, that one is really cute. So I'll choose that one for now. And with the grooming, I'll choose Uh, which one? This one? Nah. Just give me one sec. Nah. We'll see. It's not supposed to be bold, I think. What font? This one. I think that one is better. So let's just gonna go grab that one there. And if you don't want like the straight one, you can choose from where is it? Effects. Just go to effects and choose this one and you can just go backward and there you go, just that one, and this one just go a bit up and there you have it. And if you want to download your logo, just click share and then you can just download it from here. You can choose from different thing like jpg, or you want to print it like PDF. You can just choose there and just click download. And there you have it. If this video helped you, just check my other videos. It might help you too. So see you in my next video. Bye.